dignitaries and the dais, our Union Minister Purushottam Rupala Garu, B.B. Patil Garu, Parliament Member, Ranjit Reddy Garu, Parliament Member, Vivek Deshpande ji, Nirmal Srivatsav Garu, Dilip Kumar Gulati Garu, Vijay Bhandari Garu, Suresh Devan Garu, Secretary Animal Husbandry D.P. Chaudhary Garu, industry members present here and press and media, I am happy to the Compound Livestock Feed Manufacturer Association. CLIPMA is conducting its 62nd National Symposium 2021 in the historic city of Hyderabad. The seed manufacturers for various subsectors coming together on a single platform to discuss various issues connected with feeding for growing livestock population is an excellent move. As we all know that quality of feed provided to the livestock sector with needed nutrients and needed growth elements play an important role in development of the sector. As we all know, livestock is an important role player in the Indian economy. Livestock sector is now given importance on par with agriculture sector. Lakhs of families dependent on dairying, poultry, sheep and goat, and it contributes the majority of GDP of the country. I take this opportunity to place on record that my Telangana state is having lot of livestock resources. The livestock development of the state recognized as agro-based industry, generating economic growth, employment and livelihood to lakhs of people living in rural areas of the state. Approximately 60 lakh families are dependent on livestock, rearing directly, indirectly in the state. Small and marginal farmers contribute 62% of milk production of the state and own 70% of the livestock in the state. Similarly, rural shepherds own 90% of sheep population. Thus, the livestock sector of the state has become an important tool for economic growth of the state. Telangana state has more than 2 crores of sheep population. Government of Telangana under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Sri K. Chandrasekhar Rao has initiated various important schemes such as a sheep distribution, milk animal distribution, and subsidy and free fish seed stocking in the water bodies. As a result, Telangana state has been ranked #1 in the livestock census for the sheep and goat. The milk production has been increased from 42.07 lakhs tons in 2014 to 57.65 lakhs tons in 2021. With regard to the meat production, it was 4.46 lakhs tons in 2014 and we have reached 29 lakhs tons in the 2021. My state also has a record supply and production of eggs. All the above increases in the livestock productivity have been possible mainly due to excellent policies, schemes of the government and equal support from the private sector. I take this opportunity to share with you all that the role of quality feed for dairy, aquaculture sectors has become need of the hour, and this meeting shall address for producing excellent feed for livestock sector by conducting various resources. I also request CLIPMA to suggest the state for improving various parameters of the growth of livestock sector in the state. At the same time, if the cost of feed is kept to minimum, it will be useful to lakhs of poor people dependent on this sector. CLIPMA should be get associated with veterinary universities in conduct of research for production of better quality feed. Once again, thank the organizers for conducting this program in Hyderabad, and I hope that the outcomes of this meeting will definitely play an important role preparing roadmap for quality feed manufacturing in the country, and also assess for demand and supply for raw materials, online sales of poultry products, increasing in animal husbandry, agriculture including dairy, poultry and aquaculture. बहुत खुशी की बात है साहब, हमारे रूपाला जी ये प्रोग्राम में आप आए साहब, परसों भी आपके पास बैठ के आज स्टेट का अपने आंध्र तेलंगाना स्टेट में कितना ग्रोथ है, आप दिल्ली आए तो हमारे लिए 1 घंटा टाइम दिए साहब। तो यहाँ पर तेलंगाना स्टेट में तो शीप और साथ ही साथ पोल्ट्री इंडस्ट्री, फिश कल्चर भी बहुत बड़े पैमाने से हो रहा साहब। और हम जो यहाँ पर ऑर्गेनाइजर्स दो बहुत बड़ा ये 62nd नेशनल इम्पोजियम, तो हर साल हर स्टेट में प्रोग्राम बनाया जा रहा है साहब। तो हमारे बड़े भाई आके ये आप आ रहे बोल के इनवाइट करे थे, तो हम हर तरीके से जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को हम सपोर्ट करेंगे साहब। और आपको भी रिक्वेस्ट है, गुजारिश है कि तो हमारे तेलंगाना स्टेट में भी कंपलसरी आपका सपोर्ट भी चाहिए। थैंक यू एंड वेरी मच।